In the heart of ancient Rome's vast and sprawling empire, a marvel of engineering rose from the fertile lands of Provence, France. This architectural wonder, a testament to human ingenuity, was none other than the Pont du Gard aqueduct, a structure that would stand the test of time. In the year 19 BC, under the watchful eye of Emperor Augustus, the construction of Pont du Gard began. This ambitious project aimed to carry water from the Uccele springs, located a staggering 22 miles away, to the thriving city of Nimes. The aqueduct was a crucial lifeline for the city, supplying its inhabitants with fresh water. As the years passed, the task was a daunting one. The aqueduct would need to cross the Gardon River, a formidable obstacle. The engineers, faced with this challenge, devised an ingenious solution. They would build 3 tiers of arches, each tier slightly higher than the one before, creating a majestic structure that would stand the test of time. The construction was a labor of love and determination. Workers, slaves, and craftsmen from all corners of the empire came together, each contributing to this grand project. They worked tirelessly, chiseling the stones, crafting the arches, and aligning each piece with precision. The aqueduct, completed in AD 1 AD, was a sight to behold. Standing 160 feet tall and stretching 962 feet across, it was an architectural marvel. Its 3 tiers of arches, each perfectly aligned, created a harmonious and awe-inspiring sight. The Pont du Gard aqueduct was a symbol of Roman power, a testament to their engineering prowess. Yet, the aqueduct's significance extended beyond its grandeur. It was a lifeline for the city of Nimes, supplying its inhabitants with fresh water for centuries to come. The aqueduct also served as a symbol of unity, bringing together workers from across the empire to contribute to a common cause. Today, the Pont du Gard aqueduct stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It continues to captivate visitors with its grandeur and intricate engineering. A testament to the Roman Empire's ingenuity, it serves as a reminder of the power of human determination and the enduring legacy of our past. The Pont du Gard aqueduct, a marvel of the ancient world, continues to inspire awe and admiration. Its story is one of determination, ingenuity, and the enduring power of human spirit. It is a testament to the past, a symbol of unity, and a beacon of hope for the future.